Hello everyone, myself Dr. Riddhi Garg. Today in this video I'll discuss how to manage mild corona cases at home and when there is need to hospitalize the patient. As you all know, corona cases are increasing and hospitals are almost full. It has become very difficult to admit all the patients in the hospital. So in this video we'll discuss how to manage at least mild cases at home. This will help to reduce the burden both to the patient as well as on the hospitals. So first of all we'll discuss what are the signs symptoms of corona. Fever may go up to 103 degree Fahrenheit also, and this fever it will last from 2 to 3 days up to 9, 10, 11 days also. Then sore throat, dry cough, then loss of taste, loss of smell, some experience diarrhea also, body aches, weakness, malaise, all these symptoms fall in minor category. Then the severe ones. Severe ones are difficulty in breathing, shortness of breath, chest pain, bluish discoloration of the lips. All these are severe symptoms. If these symptoms appear, then it means you need to be hospitalized. So what is the first thing that you will do if you suspect that there is a corona patient at your home? You isolate that patient, shift the patient to another room which is an attached bathroom, then use separate linen, separate utensils for that patient, for that person, and you may use disposables also. The other thing is also stock up the groceries at home. It has been seen that if one person gets infected in a family, then there are chances that other persons can also get infected. So it will be difficult for you to buy the groceries later. So stock up your home with all the necessary groceries. Now, how to do monitoring at home? Keep separate thermometers for all those who are infected and monitor temperature regularly. Now this fever, sore throat, dry cough, these are just like any other flu symptoms. But the main problem with corona is it can cause damage to the lungs, and this damage can lead to shortness of breath. So how will you come to know that you may develop shortness of breath? For this, a device comes called pulse oximeter. This is easily available with the chemist. This device gets fit on the fingers and tells you about your oxygen saturation levels. Your oxygen saturation should never be below 94. If at any time it comes 94 or below 94, that means you should get yourself admitted in the hospital. And please don't delay to admit yourself in the hospital, because your condition may worsen suddenly. Your condition may deteriorate in a very short span. This is the pulse oximeter. It easily gets fit on the finger. You just have to insert your finger like this, press it, so it tells you about the oxygen saturation level. This 98 value, this value should never be below 94. So what are the tests which needs to be done if a patient is having corona? There are some basic tests: complete blood count, ETI, then CRP, D-dimer and serum ferritin. These last three tests, they tell you about the severity of the infection. You get this test baseline, then these tests should be repeated every 4 days. So you will come to know how your body is responding to the infection. Now we come to the treatment part. What all things you can do at home? Steam is very important. Take steam at least 3 times a day. Deep breathing exercises. Then proper hydration. Take large amount of fluids, at least 2 to 3 liters, and better if you can take them a little warm. Then you should take good nutrition. So these are the basic things which you can do. Now the medicines which you need to take if you are having mild symptoms. Tablet azithromycin, that is 500 milligrams once a day. You need to take for at least 7 to 10 days. Then tablet vitamin C, that is 500 milligram, and that you need to take twice. Then multivitamin, some multivitamin, and 1 tablet Zincovit, and tablet paracetamol as well as depending on your fever. Now besides all this treatment, moral support is very important. You keep in touch with your friends, with your colleagues, with your family members, as you are staying in isolation, and you may get anxiety also, and now these days corona has become a social stigma, so better to have a good moral support. Stay in touch with your family members. Remember, this treatment is only for mild cases. If you develop any of the severe symptoms, shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing, chest pain, or discoloration of the lips, please get yourself admitted, and where you may be given oxygen, you may be given antiviral, steroids, or other injections. Also, one important thing, it has been found that complications of corona generally occur in the second week. So take extra precautions, extra care in that period from 7 to 13 to 14 days, and keep yourself isolated at least 10 days from the onset of symptoms, or at least 7 days when you are at least 7 days after you are symptom free. So this is all about how to manage mild cases at home till the medicine or vaccine is available for corona. Hand wash is the medicine, distancing is immunity, and mask is the vaccine. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.